I want to sign up to Freelancer Plus because I know they have some different things going on. Has 100 connects per month, which that's about $15. They now have the personalized job alerts. I also am curious to know how good those are because I know they send like job recommendations or something to top rated freelancers at least, and they're always crap. Like they're always $20 an hour, expanded proposal insights, 0% service fee on direct contracts, full access to UMA. I think we should test that. And you can also customize your profile. Awesome. Let's waste our money. Had people ask me if I have like a promo code, it would be so cool to have like an affiliate code that I could give people, but I've asked Upwork. They don't do that. But anyway, let's set up the job alerts first. Send me instant job alerts by email and mobile app. I think this is going to be overkill, but I'll see what happens, I guess. I hope I can change this later. Alert me about all jobs, hourly or fixed price. Again, I'm going to keep this on all. If it annoys me, I'll cross that line when we get to it. Set minimum rates. Yes, please. I'll put my profile rate, which is 85, and fixed price. What do I want to do? I think the cheapest I would do would be 100 technically for like a 30-minute call. But I kind of want to put like 1500 to make it like worthwhile. Wait, and I don't like put a category, a keyword, anything? That was way too simple. So I guess we'll just leave that open and we'll see what we get. I kind of would like to test it to write a proposal if I can. Brainstorm ideas from my new project, write or debug code, create a rough draft for some content, research a topic, and check my writing for grammar and spelling. Okay, what can we ask it? Hey, Uma, let's be nice. How can you help? Hi Sylvia, I can assist you with tasks related to your social media projects. It knows I do social media at least. Brainstorming content ideas, optimizing your social media strategy, or even preparing proposals for potential clients. Actually, one thing I've been meaning to do is updating my profile. I don't think it's bad, but I don't think I've updated it in a while. So, might be due for an update. So I want to ask it if it has access to my profile. Can you see my Upwork profile? I'd like to update it. I don't have access to your profile directly. No problem. I'd mostly like to update the copy. Here's what I currently have. Didn't even ask me anything. Revised version that highlights your expertise and enthusiasm. What did it change? Sounds like the same. Am I dumb? Is Uma trying to scam me? Dude, I didn't ask you that. I'm sorry, I know AI is not perfect, but I've had better. Can you ask me questions to help improve slash update the profile? Like, I wanted it to ask me questions. Like, how has your work changed or whatever? Okay, that's what I was talking about. To help refine your profile, could you tell me about any recent projects or achievements in social media that you're particularly proud of? This information can help us highlight your strengths and showcase your expertise. I don't even know where to start. I'll say I've been doing a lot of video editing and video creation this year. I could also maybe put some of my client reviews here so it knows what I'm good at, because I'm not good at knowing what I'm good at, if that makes sense. Here are some of the things clients have said. Let's see what it pops out with. Okay, I don't hate it. Can we make the copy a bit more fun and playful? Because that's one thing I wanted to convey more, because my title says like social media marketer and content creator for fun brands, and a lot of clients come to me because of that. But I feel like the profile copy is a little bit boring. Let's see what it helps me with. Oh, I think I like this. Let's read it. I'm not here for the mundane. I like where it's going. And that's the thing. You shouldn't like just pop something into AI and expect it to be perfect. But this is good. And I think, honestly, this can be a great exercise for people that are just starting out. Yes, it did cost me $20 to get Freelancer Plus, but now that I'm thinking about it, might be worth it. Yes, of course. You can ask ChatGPT for free. You can ask any other AI of your preference. But I think for a month, if you really dedicate yourself to like making the best use of it for that month, and then you don't forget to cancel it. If you have $20, which I hope you do, if you don't, I don't think you should be trying Upwork at all. Maybe Control would be best if you really are strapped for cash. But if I was signing up for Upwork today, I would sign up for Freelancer Plus, pay the $20, and then you get the 100 connects plus. I believe they're still doing the thing where if you join Freelancer Plus, you get 50 free connects on top of that. And that should give you around 10 to 15 proposals worth. So it's not a lot, I know. But better than nothing, it's been worse in the past. You get to have the assist of Uma to write your profile and your proposals. Now, caveat here, this is not a replacement to use your brain. Do like I did, like it blurted something out at me, and I was like, that's not exactly what I wanted. And I asked it to ask me questions. I think that's where it's best. Like, still do your research on what other freelancers are doing and how are they wording their profiles. Also, do your research on the job side. What are clients looking for in your industry? How are they talking about it? Sometimes there's like a bunch of different terms for the same thing, and you should do a little bit of digging to find out what terms your client is using. So do that, jump into Uma, tell it what you've learned about your industry, and work with it to write your profile. I'm not here for the mundane. I'm here to make social media a blast. I love that. Now, I could ask it like review upon review, but I think from what I've read so far, I want to copy and paste this and tweak it myself. Call me old school. Okay, I think this is good for now. I want to go through these jobs and maybe write at least one proposal with the help of Uma. We now have a shit ton of connects again, so we need to waste some of them. Let's send a proposal to this one. Should I just copy this and say, help me apply to this? Watch her say no. Could you provide me with the job description and a specific question? Okay, sure. Ask me questions to help write the best cover letter ever. No, that's so long. Oh my god, no. Uma doesn't know what Upwork clients want. Isn't that crazy? I like this better. What specific elements of the brand's mission, freedom, confidence, connection resonate with you most, and how would you embody them in your work? One, being a freelancer, the location and time freedom. Do you have any successful past projects related to beauty care? I do. I've helped skincare brand, unique strategies or creative ideas you already envision based on the brief. What exactly is the brief? They don't have a lot. I need to about the brand to get ideas and brainstorm. Can we add a question? Okay, let's see. I hate the hey there. Can you start with a better hook? No, hey there. No, I'm Sylvia. Let's see. This is boring. Can we make something more fun? Maybe I would be better off writing it myself. Let's see what it said. Ready to turn scroll stopping moments into... We can work with this. I don't want to keep it like this, but we can work with this. Let me just... Boop. You're shitting me. I'm so dumb. You seem like a great fit. Oh, so sweet. The question is, do they say this to everyone that they're the perfect one? Anyway, let's get to this. Let's create some scroll stopping ads that your audience can relate to. This is too much. I love that your project gives the opportunity to craft fun, engaging content, and I love bringing ideas to life. Could you let me know a bit more about it? Okay, I think that's good. I definitely want to include some UGC work in here, and then maybe 2 reviews, and we're done. I'm not gonna boost that. I was gonna say I think I'm off for today, but let's see this. Okay, Freelancer Plus insights. Access to stats on applicants and client activity so you can bid strategically. Your proposal hasn't been opened yet. No shit. Average bid 39. Message 0. Top rated 33. No, I'm not gonna edit my bid. You crazy? Top profile skills: Instagram Reels, TikTok marketing, Instagram marketing, UGC, TikTok ad. Edit your profile. Really? I can edit my profile from here. Doesn't lead me directly to the skills, but it's something. Average applicant stats: 12K total earned. Okay, I'm over that. 15 total jobs in 3 years on Upwork. Okay, I mean, if we go off those numbers, let's see. I have 200K, 200 jobs, and 2,000 hours, and 12 years on Upwork. Job success score is 95%, 98% top rated. I'm 96, bitch. I have one shit client that screwed me over. Anyway, this is good for now. Thank you for whoever popped by, because I need the watch time. I'll see you next time.